Hey everyone, welcome you all. So in this video we are going to see how to implement op-amp as a buffer. So how we can construct a buffer using operational amplifier. So basically first we will see what is mean by buffer. So a buffer is a circuit where the output follows exactly to the input. So a buffer is any circuit. So when we give A as the input, so it should give A as the output. So input and output are exactly same. So that is the meaning of buffer. So it will just stop the input for some time and then it will give the output. So it is used in delay circuits, okay, and it is also used in impedance matching circuits because the input of the device is having low impedance, high impedance, and the output is having low impedance. So the impedance at the input is high, so this is high input, and the impedance at the output of the device is having low, so it is used to convert the impedance from high to low state. Okay, so with the help of basic gates, how we can implement the buffer is, so suppose you are having a NOT gate over here, and if you give A, then we will be getting A bar, right? And if you give this to another NOT gate, then we will get A again. So this is how we can create a buffer using the op amp here. So this is an classic example, so where by using two NOT gates we can implement a buffer. But can we construct the buffer using operational amplifier is the question. So yes, we can construct it. So let us see the design. So design using non-inverting amplifier. So this design is done basically with the help of non-inverting amplifier. So non-inverting amplifier means the input is given to the non-inverting terminal of a op amp. So as you can see, V input, that is V in, is given to the non-inverting terminal, that is plus terminal here, and this is the negative feedback circuit because the feedback is taken and given to the negative terminal here. So this is the feedback resistor, and this is the input current limiting resistor. Okay, so this is the power supply Vs plus and Vs minus. So the op amp basically operates on 3 volt, 5 volt or 12 volt depending on the application. So this is the output pin where we will be getting the output. Okay, so how we can find out the gain for this one? So gain is equal to the 1 plus feedback resistor by R1 resistor. So basically what it does is it tries to maintain a same voltage at these points V in and this point. So plus and minus point should be at a same potential or a same voltage for a op amp. So it tries to keep the voltage at a same level. So it will adjust the output voltage in order to maintain this plus and minus terminals at a same voltage. So gain is equal to 1 plus Rf by R1. So if Rf is equal to 0 and R1 is equal to 0, so I want gain should be equal to 1 because I want V out to follow V in. That means, so how we give V out? V out is equal to gain into V in. So when does V out will be equal to V in? So if I want V out should be equal to V in, then gain should be equal to 1. So to do the gain equal to 1, I need to have this term as a 0, then only the gain will become 0. To that 0, what I will do, I will put a feedback resistor value is equal to 0 and R1 value equal to infinite. So I will not put R1 at all. It means it is open circuit here. So if something is open circuit, then it means it is infinite resistance in between them. Okay, so when we put Rf equal to 0, 0 by infinite will be 0, so gain will be equal to 1. Okay, so we have got gain as equal to 1. Now it's the same diagram here, so I have just written, so Rf is equal to 0, that's why there is no resistance over here, and the R1 is infinite, so it is not connected at all. So this is the infinite resistance over here, and this is the output pin. So this is the equation for output voltage, that is V out is equal to gain into V in. So gain here is equal to 1 and V in as it is, so V out will be equal to V in. So this implies the op amp is acting like a buffer, so where the output is following the input here. So like this we can implement a buffer with the help of op amp. So I hope you like the video. Please guys, hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe. Thank you, thanks for watching.